guys, it's me Kritika and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying at home and are sanitizing yourselves. Also, if you're liking my content or if it is helpful to you in any way, then please don't forget to subscribe to me so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Now, talking about today's video, as lockdown is going on and we're all stuck inside, so I thought there's no point in making styling videos because we just can't go outside. So I have come up with some photo shoot ideas for Instagram that you can do while being at home. Also, these ideas are pretty easy and you can do them without much effort. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started with today's video. As the name suggests, we are going to need some newspapers and a tape. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to paste the newspapers on the wall using the tape. Make sure that you don't leave any kind of spaces in between the newspapers. Also, don't forget to cover some part of the floor as well so that it doesn't look awkward that way. As you guys can see, I have covered both the wall as well as the floor with the newspapers. And now it's time to pose. I want to share some tips. Firstly, wear something which is in contrast with the color of the newspaper. I mean, wear bright colors like black, red, blue, orange. Also, try to move your body as much as you can, especially your hands, as it won't make you look still. At the same time, will give a movement to your picture. Just be confident and stay calm as everything shows off on your face. Keep moving your hands in different directions so that you get that perfect shot that you want to get. If you're a camera shy person and don't know how to pose, then I would recommend that you use a chair or anything as a prop, as it becomes easy to pose with a prop. And now let's have a look at some of the pictures. Have you people ever thought of posing with a fruit? Well, if not yet, then I think you guys should really try it once. You know, if you think of it for a moment, you would know that fruits are the most easily accessible props available. I am just posing with a half-cut mango here. You can pick any of your favorite fruit and start posing with it. Now let's see how the pictures turned out. If you want to click those dark pictures under the sky, then I don't think there could be any option better than the night sky. You know, when it's dark all around, you can easily get that perfect shot without much effort. So do try it out, and I can assure you that the pictures will surely turn out beautiful. So this is how the pictures turned out. How about using clothes from your wardrobe as the background props for your pictures? Isn't it a great idea? Well, I just threw some random clothes on the bed and started posing. You can use other things as well, like paints, brushes, makeup, books, anything that you like. And believe me, the pictures turned out really good. I'm just holding a flower here. because I was getting good pictures. So just be more creative, you can use anything. Now let's see how the pictures turned out. You can use sunlight in a lot of different ways while clicking pictures. Just like you can see here, sunlight is falling on one part of the wall and the other part is the shadow created by that. So this is how you can create the entire effect. Also, the pictures turned out to be really good, as you can see. Plants are something that are usually available at everyone's place, and if you want to add that green element to your pictures, then in my opinion they are the best. Believe me guys, you can click really beautiful pictures with plants. Now let's have a look at some of the pictures that I have taken with plants. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed filming it. Also, if you happen to recreate any of these pictures, then you can DM me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. I would love to go through your pictures, and if you want me to make more such videos, then you can let me know in the comment sections down below. And now I'll see you next week with a new video. Till then, click a lot of pictures, have a lot of fun, and bye.